In the last video, we investigated the different ways that we could make up the number 5, and hopefully by now you've done that same activity with numbers 2 to 9. This video, we're going to be looking at the number 10, and the reason I've got number 10 in a separate video is because this number is super important to know in depth. So let's have a look at it. Just here on my page, I have what's called a tens frame. It's got 10 little squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to use this tens frame just to have a look at some different ways we can make up the number 10. And just here, I brought my trusty little sweeties along. We're going to look at some different ways that we can make up the number 10 using both grape and cherry sweets. We could have 1 grape and we could have 9 cherries. And this would be one way, the first way, that we could make up the number 10. And we could write it as 1 plus 9. Happy with that? We could also have 2 and 8. 2 grape and 8 cherry. Excuse my bad penmanship, writing with the sweets here is a little bit tricky. We could have 3 and 7. We could have 4 grape and 6 cherry. We could have 5 grapes and 5 cherries. Notice all these numbers, all these combinations of numbers add up to 10. We could have 6 grape and 4 cherry and 4 cherry. We could have 7 grapes and 3 cherries. We could have 8 grapes and 2 cherries. And we could have 9 grape and 1 cherry. And what we've got there is all the different ways we can make a collection of 10 with a combination of cherry and grape. Here we've got 1 plus 9 on this line and 9 plus 1. Notice that these numbers are the same, just in the reverse order. So those are kind of the same. Again, we've got 2 and 8 and 2, same numbers in the reverse order, same numbers in the reverse order, same numbers in the reverse order, and 5 plus 5, I only wrote that once because it would be exactly the same on the other side. Pay special attention to this column here because this column has all the combinations that can make up the number 10, given that these ones are just a version of those anyways. These are the ways we can split number 10 into 2 numbers, and these are super important to learn because you're going to use them again and again and again with addition, multiplication, subtraction, all of it. This is something that you're really going to need to know. I'm going to put an activity to help you develop your knowledge of these numbers in case this is something that you're going to need to work on. I'll see you in the next video.